flapped his wings and soared with grace, racing the wind in a thrilling chase. Down below in a lily-filled bog lived a bouncy, bright green frog. He sang all day on his favorite log, splashing around through the morning fog. One sunny day's clouds passed by. The eagle looked down from the sky. He spotted the frog with a curious gaze, croaking a song in his jolly ways. Hello, down there, the eagle called out, with a mighty flap and a joyful shout. Why stay so low in the soggy bog? Wouldn't you rather fly like a dog? The frog laughed loud, a dog can't fly, but sure I've seen you up in the sky. I may not soar or ride the breeze, but I jump real far with legs like these. The eagle swooped low and gave a grin. Show me your leap, let the games begin. The frog took a breath and jumped so high, he almost reached the eagle in the sky. They giggled and played from noon to night, one with wings, the other mid-flight. The eagle dove and spun around. The frog leapt high, then hit the ground. You fly so free, said the frog with awe, and you bounce like a spring, said the bird with a caw. We're not the same, but isn't it neat how different friends can make life sweet? So every day from that time on, they met by the pond or out on the lawn. One flew above, one jumped below, but side by side their friendship did grow. That, dear, 'tis the tale so grand of a frog and an eagle from a magical land, brought to you only with joy and a grin by the story team at Croaking. Hello, down there, the eagle called out, with a mighty flap and a joyful shout. Why stay so low in the soggy bog? Wouldn't you rather fly like a dog? Hello, down there, the eagle called out, with a mighty flap and a joyful shout.